Hey, ladies and gentlemen, I'm going to make a quick video in response to some questions I had been getting about the phaser locks on the Ford F1 150s. Well, not Ford F-150s, but the Ford trucks in general. When you do the cam phaser lockout, what has to be done? In particular, there's some people that lock the cam phasers out and do not have tuners to turn it off, and I'm going to do a quick comment on that. All that I say, as always, that is my opinion. You can take it or leave it either way. Makes no difference to me. First of all, there's a lot of people that that spend money on these aftermarket tuners to put in a truck. Yes, they absolutely can turn that off, or I think that a lot of them can. I'm not 100% on any of this, but anyway, I know that this can turn the cam phaser port of it off, and whatever you want to do, that's your business. A lot of the times, and this is, like I said, again, this is my opinion, a lot of times these tuners don't do jack. They tune for a broad spectrum of vehicles. What I would recommend anybody to do is, if you're going to be serious about taking maximum power out of your trucks, forget those damn aftermarket tuners. Find somebody that utilizes the EFI Life platform or the HP tuners. Odds are, for the domestics, you're probably going to find there's more HP tuners. I don't know that for sure either. Don't care. In any event, I'm going to do a quick rundown as to why I said that. Here's the deal. The only way to maximize your power out of your truck, and when I say your truck, I'm not talking any F-150 or whatever it is you're tuning. I'm talking about the specific truck, not a truck, the specific truck. Find you somebody that has got a dyno and that uses HP tuners. They generally can tune your vehicles and get all that is to be gotten out of your particular truck. That is the only way to tune if you're not planning on putting any aftermarket parts on it. And even if you put or you do modifications to your engine and transmission, you have to tune to make it work proper. That is the end of it. Any of you that disagree absolutely do not know what you're talking about. The only way to do it right is on a dyno. Period. The end. No more. So now, in response to the phasers, as far as the phasers is concerned, I think that a reputable person, if all you're asking is to come to the shop and simply turn the phaser port of it off, okay, because you will have to turn it off. It's going to cause you problems in the long run. Check engine lights and all that good stuff. So if you want to turn it off, here is a quick rundown as to why I said it shouldn't cost much. Now, granted, the credits will have to be paid. Most of these trucks require 2 or 3 credits. A credit for HP tuners is $49.95 or something along those lines. So you're looking basically on the example vehicle that I'm going to use, a 2010 Ford F-150, and I just downloaded a random file here. You're looking at $100 for the credits to read the VIN number, basically. And when I say read the VIN number, I'm not meaning reading the VIN number, reading the file for a particular VIN number. That doesn't have to make sense to you. It only has to make sense to the programmer, but anyhow, so I show you how easy it is, in fact, to do just the turn off on not on, but in HP tuners. As you see, there's basically the interface, and if we head down to the engine, There's tabs here. There's a general tab, you know, and all these things here. It's literally as easy as go to airflow, go to variable camshaft. Here where it says variable camshaft, enable, disable that. Save this file, write it back to the truck. You're done. It's done. No more check engine light because of the phasers being locked out. You know, this eliminates the errors. You know, this eliminates the part where the computer is trying to control the cams and it cannot. All right, this is totally taken out of the picture. That's all I ever do when I put cam phasers in a truck. All I ever do is disable it right there. That's all I do. You know, now there may be some variations to this, but any tuner will know that. It's not a big deal. This is how fast it is. It's read, disable, write. That's it. No more. Done deal. You know, you can save it from here, and if you want them hot rod guys, you know, you can do a little bit of tricks on your limiter if you wanted to. I'm not going to get into that, but anyway, I just wanted to show how easy it is to actually go in there and turn off your cam phasers. So I'm going to end the video here. Like I said, I just made this video in response to some questions that I've gotten. So till next time, guys.